So hello everyone, my name is Sanchit Yewale. I am from section 20 and this is my DIY assignment 3. Today I intend to open this mixer. So this mixer is in non-working condition. So let's open it. So opening it is an easy task. We just have to loosen up some screws using a screwdriver. So here I have opened the mixer. So main part inside the mixer is this universal motor. This motor can work both with AC and DC supply. Now we can see 4 wires of red, black, yellow and blue color attached to the motor. So here now I will explain various parts of the motor. So these wire type structures here are called the stator winding. And this is the cylindrical shaft. And this nylon structure helps us to multiply the torque. This middle part is called the stator core. And this inside part is called the commutator. This part is called the commutator. And this is the rotary switch, and this helps in controlling the rotation speed of the shaft or the speed of the mixer that we want. So here this bulb like structure is called the indication lamp. So we have seen the structure inside the mixer. Now let's place it back. So all the things have been joined together. So let's put the screws in. Putting the screws back can be a tedious job since we don't have experience of it. So all the screws have been joined and the inside of the mixer has been checked and the working has been explained. So this was my project. Thank you.